to discuss some problems by solving the linear equations for verbal problems. Today also we are going to discuss one more problem in exercise. Fourth exercise, eighth problem here. The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will be increased by 50 square units. Find the length and the breadth of rectangle. First we have to observe what is given in the question. What statements are given? Here two statements are given. The two are different two statements. Yes, no? Different two statements are given. First statement is area of the rectangle is reduced by 80 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth is increased by 2 units. And one more statement is if length is increases by 10 units and breadth is decreases by 5 units, then area will be increased by 50 square units. By using these two statements, we have to find the solution. That means length and breadth. How we are finding? We don't know the length and we don't know the breadth. So, but here in the statement, area mentioned. Area is mentioned. That's why we have to use area of the rectangle formula here. Area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So, first what is given in the statements? The two statements write as a given data. Next, what to find? We have to find the length and breadth. Okay, na? Is it clear or not? And then, what method we are going to use in this? Area of the rectangle we are using, and by using the given statements, we have to form the two linear equations. We have to form the two linear equations and then solve two linear equations by any one of the three methods. We have three methods. One is graphical method, one is elimination, one is substitution method. Okay, na? Out of the three methods, we have to use any one to get the solution. Now procedure. We don't know the length here. So the length of rectangle is how much? We don't know that is. So in general length is denoted by L term. So L. Next, the breadth of rectangle. Breadth of rectangle. How much? B. But first condition is what? If length is decreased or reduced is nothing but decrease only. Length is decreased by 5 units and breadth is decreased by increase, huh? So increased by 2 units. Then area is reduced by how much? 80 square units. So now according to this, what is the length here? So length is how much? L. A decrease. Reduce means minus 5. And breadth? B plus 2. L minus 5 units and B plus 2 units. Now area becomes area of rectangle. How much? Length into breadth. Already we mentioned the formula in the position method. Yes, na? Now write according to this length into breadth. Length is how much? L minus 5 and B is B plus 2. Breadth is B plus 2 now here. But according to problem given statement, what is the area here? Actual area is length into breadth only. Actual area is length into breadth. Yes or no? That is LB Actual area of the rectangle is length into breadth, LB only. So what happened here? It is reduced by 80. Reduced means we have to subtract. So minus 80. This is square units. Yes, na? Now simplify the LHS part. Simplify the LHS. What will happen? L into B. LB. Okay, now next L into 2. 2L. Next minus 5 into B. Minus 5B. Minus 5 into 2. Minus 10. That is equals to LB minus 80. Now both sides we have LB equal terms. Yes, na? And LHS and RHS. If we transpose either LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, that both will be cancelled. So here what will remains? 2L. Next minus 5B. That is equals to minus 80. This minus 10 is transposed. It becomes plus 10. Now it becomes 2L minus 5B, that is equals to minus 70. In the same way, we have one more condition. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now next condition is what? If length is increased, na? Length is increased by how much? 10 units, and breadth decreased by 5 units. The area is increases by how much? 50 square units. That is, now length is how much? L plus 10. Length becomes L plus 10 units. Breadth becomes B minus 5. Area becomes, area of rectangle becomes length into breadth. That means L plus 10. L plus 10 into B minus 5. That is equals to how much? LB plus 50. Area is increases here. That's why plus 50. If it is decreased, minus. But here increases. So L into B, again multiply the or simplify the LHS part. L into B. LB. Next L into minus 5. Minus 5L. Next plus 10 into B. Plus 10B. 10 into minus 5. That is minus 50. Yes, na? That is equals to LB plus 50. LB plus 50. Both sides LB get cancelled. What will remains on the left side? Minus 5L plus 10B. That is equals to 50. This minus 50 also transposed. It becomes plus 50. It becomes minus 5L plus 10B. That is equals to 100. This is equation number 2. Okay, now observe the first equation and second equation. Here L coefficient is 2. Here L coefficient is minus 5. Here B coefficient is minus 5. Here B coefficient is 10. Yes, na? So no ones. That means either L or B coefficients are not same. So while we are adding or subtracting, no one will eliminate. To eliminate or substitution, what method you prefer? Elimination method. Okay, now to eliminate the any term, either B or L. To eliminate the B term, to eliminate B, equation 1 multiply with, you have to equate the coefficients of b now. Here what na? B coefficient is here -5, here B coefficient is 10. Yes na? 5, 10. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. It is the multiple of 5. 10 is the multiple of 5. So equation 1 only multiply with 2. Here HCF we are finding. HCF is how much? 5. HCF is 5. So 5 is taken out. What is the difference here? 1 be getting here, 2 be getting. Okay na? If you multiply with 2, we are getting equal. Equation 1 multiply with 2 and equation 2 multiply with 1. Multiply with the 1. If you multiply with 1, the value doesn't changes. Okay na? Next, upwards and add them. Here different symbols we are getting na, and add them. After adding, what we are getting? Let us see. Equation 1 multiply with the 2. What is the equation 1 here? 2L minus 5B, that is equals to minus 70. Total equation into 2. Total equation into 2. What it becomes? Which implies 2 into 2L, that is 4L. 2 into minus 5B, minus 10B, that is equals to 2 into minus 70, minus 140. Okay na? Now equation 2, minus 5L plus 10B, that is equals to 100 into 1. Into 1 is nothing will change. Again we are getting the same equation as it is. Minus 5L plus 10B, that is equals to 100. What we said? After multiplication you have to add what equations we are getting. Resulting equations you should add. By adding this, what we get? Plus 4L minus 5L. Different symbols. What to do? Subtraction only. While we are subtracting, we are getting minus L. 1L or L. Now minus 10B plus 10B. Both will cancel. Yes, na? The value becomes 0. That is equals to minus 140 plus 100. How much it becomes? Minus 40. So minus minus get cancelled. So length is 40. If length is 40, this L value substitute in any one of the 4 equations you know we have. First we are getting 2 equations and then after multiplication we are getting 2 more equations. Yes, no? So L is equals to 40. Substitute in which one? First equation take 2L minus 5B, that is equals to minus 70, which implies 2 into 40 minus 5B, that is equals to minus 70. 2 into 40 80. Yes, na? 80 minus 5B, that is equals to minus 70. 5B is equals to minus 70 minus 80. This plus 80 will transpose and it becomes minus. So now 5 minus 5B is equals to minus 150. Minus minus get cancelled. B is equals to 150 by 5. 5 on the 5, 30 units. So breadth is 30 units. Length is 40 units and breadth is 30 units. Okay, na? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, last problem.